Welcome back to Natalia's classroom. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel and stay connected for Python tutorials. This is the last tutorial, last lesson for data science basics in Python. And in this last tutorial, I will show you and I will demonstrate that how the loop is used to traverse through some data structures in Python. And let's start with the dictionary. Dictionary is a data structure in Python where we can record our data values. And let's see how we traverse through the dictionary using loop. So I have a dictionary, and the name of the dictionary is courses. So this dictionary has some courses and their codes, and let's write a code to traverse through this dictionary values and print the data from this dictionary. So for the loop, the courses dictionary. So for this iteration, there are certain keywords for key, comma, value, because we know that dictionary has a key and dictionary has a value. Programming basics is the key and CS dash 201 is the value in. So key comma value in, we need to put the name of our data structure, courses dot items, so, and then colon. So what is this syntax? This syntax is actually trying to fetch two things in our dictionary, key and value. We can put any names, these are not keywords, so we can put A and B, we can put a question and answer, whatever the name you like. So these are not keywords. So for key comma value in is the keyword, and next the name of our dictionary, courses dot items. Items mean whatever is in the dictionary, and then indentation is very important. So print the course and code, the courses and codes are. And as we know that when we are using some string uh, data in print, we need to typecast our other variables. So I will write plus str, and then I will put key plus has code, and then plus again str and value. So what is basically done? For key comma value in courses dot items colon, and with every traversal, with every iteration, it is going to fetch the first key and then its code. So the courses and codes are, the key has code and it will work like this. So the course and codes are programming basics has code. So let's put a little space. So programming basics has code CS201, object oriented programming has code CS202. So this is the way to traverse through the uh, dictionary. data structure. So it's very easy and it is very simple. So just need to, we can replace any variables, any value, we can replace any words with this key and value. This key and value are not keywords, so I can simply put a, and I can here put b, and then I will, nothing will change, it will work fine. See, so key and value are not the keywords, they are just the two uh, carriers for the data in our dictionary. Okay, so let's move on and check out that how we can use loop for numpy arrays. And for this we need to first create numpy arrays and import numpy as np. Okay, so for loops for numpy arrays, I have imported numpy as np, and I have an array profit, and it has profit in billions, and I have expense that is also in have some values. So this is the difference I have calculated, profit minus expense. So let's see that how can we traverse through these arrays. So the command is very simple, just a for loop and value, because this difference array has only one value, so value in difference simply colon, we don't need to put a dot item function here in numpy arrays, and print value. So this is how it is going to show the results. So the loop is traversing through the difference array, and it is showing me the difference. I am creating a new array, np.array profit, comma, loss for value in profit underscore loss, sorry, so for value in np dot nd iter. Nd iter mean n-dimensional iterator, because it is a two-dimensional array. Profit underscore expense and colon print value. Okay, sorry, expense. It is iterating through the two-dimensional array profit underscore expense that I have created with two different arrays, profit and expense. If I simply print profit underscore expense, so it is, this is my actual two-dimensional array, and when I call np.nd iterator on profit underscore expand. So it reads the first complete row and then the second complete array. So this is how we can easily traverse through our numpy arrays. I have the same CSV file that I have imported into bricks dot underscore CSV, and I have my data frame in it. And now let's see how we can write a loop. So for val comma row in bricks underscore CSV dot iterate rows. So this iterate rows function will iterate through the data frame, and it will iterate through the rows. Print val plus colon, just for readability, plus str row. Let me comment this one. Spelling error. So this is how we are iterating through the rows of my pandas data frame. I hope you have understood all the data structures in all these tutorials, and soon I will be starting the advanced course, and